In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up saved responses to help save your support team time when responding to generic ticket issues. So let's go ahead and navigate to setup over here on the left-hand side. We're going to click on saved responses, and I'm going to go ahead and add a saved response. And this is going to be a reset password response, because if someone is coming to us asking how to reset their password, it's quick and easy to just set up a saved response that tells them the process. All right, I'm going to leave the privacy to public, and I'm going to make sure that this is published, and I'm going to hit save. All right, and then I'm going to add my message to reset your password, follow, please follow these steps. I'm then going to go ahead and hit save, and now that response has been saved. And so now if I come to my help desk, and I'm just going to come to my filters and view all the tickets, and I'm going to pretend that this ticket submitted by Betty is a password reset request. Then I'm going to hit reply, and I'm going to click into this ticket, and to add that quick response, I'm just going to click on that little comment box over here, and I'm going to click reset password. And then I can go ahead and send that message, and Betty will receive this automatic quick response. So it really helps save your support team time when it comes to generic ticket types like this. In the next video, we're going to do a quick rundown on how to fully utilize the help desk in the system. I'll see you there.